Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. And just letting you know that obviously issue 100, our special 100th edition of the magazine, is now hitting your letterboxes. So keep an eye out for it. Hard to believe we've come a long way since our very first edition, which came out in February 2008. So 100 issues later. A big thank you to RDA, who are our sponsor for the cover for this particular issue. Also coincides with our centre stage focus, which was on braking systems and servicing. So a great article put together by Brendan myself. So a big thank you to all the companies that sponsored us in the centre stage focus, which was Natrad Trade, Red Arc, Cool Drive Auto Parts, Repco, and Disc Brakes Australia, and obviously RDA. So a big thank you to all those companies. Again, we've got a couple of special articles in there. We're introducing our AI, Tina and Tony, on our website, so have a good read of that. Ken Newton, our original editor, has written a special article on our 100th edition of the magazine, so a good read. All our normal technical articles are in there, some repair solutions, share your solution and everything, so another great read. Look forward to your feedback on it, but it should be hitting your letterbox any day, if not already in your letterbox, so keep an eye out for it. We'll see you next time.